Exciting experiences in Ise-Shima National Park. The varied landscape of Ise-Shima National Park provides more than just spectacular views. A wide range of exciting cultural and outdoor experiences offer access to the region's natural attractions and insight into the lives of its people. Visitors can explore the intricate coast on a sightseeing cruise or sea kayak tour, or walk on water in a transparent inflatable ball towed behind a boat. Guided walking tours include strolls around quaint fishing villages, and participants can learn about the area's sustainable environmental development. Other activities include taking part in the 2,000-year-old tradition of diving with ama, renowned female freedivers, as they comb the ocean floor for shellfish and seaweed. Later, participants can listen to the divers' stories as they wind down in one of their huts after a day in the water. Visitors can also learn about Ise-Shima's history of pearl cultivation and create their own delicate pearl accessories.